Good day, let us now continue with our math contest drills for Filipino kids. And this time around, let us have the average round for grade 5 pupils. In the average round, participants are allowed to use scratch paper. Each item must be answered in 30 seconds, and the answer must be written on an answer sheet before the time expires. Okay? Before we start, do not forget to subscribe on this channel. Let us begin. 30-second questions. Question number 1. Write the products of 125 times 3000 in scientific notation. Again, write the products of 125 and 3000 in scientific notation. Go. Time is up. What is the answer? It's 3.75 times 10 raised to the 5th power. Question number 2. Lynn bought a camera for 10,695 pesos and 50 centavos and 2 SD cards for 310 pesos each. How much change did she get from 12 1,000 peso bills? Again, Lynn bought a camera for 10,695 pesos and 50 centavos and 2 SD cards at 310 pesos each. How much change did she get from 12 1,000 peso bills? Go. Time is up. What is the answer? It's 684 pesos and 50 centavos. Let us proceed to question number 3. How many hours are there in 250 minutes and 120 seconds? How many hours are there in 250 minutes and 120 seconds? Go. Okay, time is up. What is the answer? It's 4.2 hours. Question number 4. Jake drove 252 kilometers in 4 2/3 hours. What was his average speed for the journey? Jake drove 252 kilometers in 4 2/3 hours. What was his average speed for the journey? Go. Time is up. The answer? 54 kilometers per hour. Last question for this round. Question number 5. When 9 times Ricky's age is decreased by 15, the result is 84 years. How old is Ricky? When 9 times Ricky's age is decreased by 15, the result is 84 years. How old is Ricky? Go. Time is up. What is the answer? 11 years. Ricky is 11 years old. At this point, let us discuss the solutions to our 5-item 30-second questions. Question number 1. We are to write in scientific notation the product 125 times 3,000. To do that, just multiply 125 by 3, that's 375, and annex the 3 zeros from 3,000, that is 375,000. Now you know that scientific notation is written in the form a times 10 raised to n, where a, or the absolute value of a, is a number that is equal or greater than 1 but less than 10. And the n is any integer. So to do this, we move the decimal point of 375,000, which is at the rightmost part of the number, to the left until we have a number that is between 1 and 10, and that will be 3.75. And how many movements will that be? That will be 5 movements from the rightmost until between 3 and 7. So 3.75 times 10 raised to the 5th power. Question number 2. Write the problem in mathematical sentence. 12 1,000 peso bills will be 12,000 minus all the expenses, 10,695.50 for the camera, and 2 times 310 for the SD cards. Solving, we start with the multiplication inside the parentheses, that's 620. Then add to get all the expenses, 11,315 pesos and 50 centavos. Subtracting, we get 684.50 or 684 pesos and 50 centavos. But this solution could take a pupil longer than 30 seconds. Let us try this solution. We know that we have the expenses as 2 310s for the SD card and 10,695.50. 10,695.50 needs 304.50 to complete 11,000. So that makes for the 11 pieces 1,000 peso bills. We have one remaining 1,000 peso bill. Now subtract the 304.50 from 1,310, so we are left with 550, and that will be 315 pesos and 50 centavos. Therefore, from the remaining 1,000 peso bill, we just subtract 315 pesos and 50 centavos, and we get the same answer, 684 pesos and 50 centavos. Okay, question number 3. 120 seconds is 2 minutes. So in total, we have 252 minutes. Now we convert this into hours. We multiply 252 minutes by the ratio between hours and minutes. We know that 1 hour equals 60 minutes. So multiplying these two values will cancel the minutes and we'll have the remaining answer as hours. So by cancellation, we can divide both 252 and 60 by 6. 60 divided by 6 is 10. 252 divided by 6 is 42. Now we just multiply. 42 times 1 is 42 over 10 hours. So 42 divided by 10 is 4.2 hours. Next, question number 4. We know that the formula for the speed is distance over time. So the distance here is 252 kilometers and the time is 4 2/3 hours. Let us resolve first the denominator by converting into a mixed number. So that will be 252 kilometers over 14 over 3 hours. Multiplying fraction, we copy the numerator and then multiply by the reciprocal of the denominator, that is 3 over 14. Again, let's do cancellation. 252 and 14 can be divided by 14. So 14 divided by 14 is 1. 252 divided by 14 is 18. Now we multiply 18 times 3, that's 54 kilometers per hour. Number 5. 9 times Ricky's age, decreased by 15, result is 84. Let us have some algebra for grade 5. Let R be Ricky's age. So if we write the problem in mathematical sentence, that will be 9 times R minus 15 equals 84. Okay? So what number subtracted by 15 results to 84? How do we do that? 9 times R is 84 plus 15. So 9 times R is 99. So 99 minus 15 is 84. Now, what number is multiplied by 9 to get 99? So that will be 99 divided by 9, 11 years old. R is 11 years old. Now, in the elementary, we have a solution that we call working backwards. Let us do that here. The end result is 84. That is 84 years. Before it became 84, a value is decreased by 15. So let's reverse the process. That will be plus 15. So before it became 84, 15 is subtracted from what number? 99. And before it became 99, the number is multiplied by 9. So what do? We divide by 9. Reverse the operation. And 99 divided by 9 is 11 years old. And that is working backwards. That is all for average round. Thank you, and do not forget to subscribe on this channel.